Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is Dishonored check or non-sufficient funds check and electronic banking. How to record everything. So, first of all, before we started, subscribe to our channel, very important to us, and like our Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarpin. So, how do we record a dishonorable check on a check stub? A check that a bank refuses to pay is called a dishonored check. A check dishonored by the bank because of insufficient funds in the account of the maker of the check is called a non-sufficient funds check. A non-sufficient funds check is also known as an NSF check. We can also have another situations for a dishonored check. For instance, on fraud or a stolen check. We just got a stolen check and so on, but usually is the non-sufficient funds check. So we deposit it and then the bank give us back. So we reduce our bank balance. So first of all, write this dishonored check under the heading Other. Number 2, the amount of the check, $225, and finally record the new subtotal. Now we have another situation about the electronic bank. First of all, electronic funds transfer, a computerized cash payment system that transfers funds without the use of checks, currency, or other paper document is called electronic funds transfer. We can receive it or we can pay it. For instance, a lot of companies, they pay their workers now with electronic funds transfer. They don't give them checks anymore. We can also, so we can receive it on electronic funds transfer and so on. So we have this one without checks. Debit card transaction, a bank card that automatically deducts the amount of a purchase from the checking account of the card holder is called a debit card. So you can pay it with your card, with your debit card. It looks like a check, but with no writing checks. You pay with your card, give your PIN number usually, and then it goes off your bank account. Before the thank you, let's go to our Excel file. And remember guys, all our Excel files are free and the link to download it is in our video description. So what do we have here? The first one, let me zoom in here. Okay, now it's better. August 29th, received a note from the bank of a dishonored check from Valley Landscaping of $185 plus $40 fee, total $225. So the first info here, the debit and credit will be $225. The document number is Memorandum 52, so Memorandum 52. Date, August 29th, sorry. Okay, now what will happen? Okay, this customer here, this client here, they paid us with a non-sufficient fund check, so we will charge them again. So account receivable Valley Landscaping. Whoa. Yep. Much better. Landscaping. And our credit will be cash. However, okay, we will not charge them $225. We will assume this fee. So we will be paying this fee. So the first journal entry would be $185. And then a second journal entry about debiting miscellaneous expense, credit in cash with the $40 remaining. But usually we charge them all. So we charge them all of the numbers. Second transaction, June June 5th. Paid cash on account to Murniak Enterprises using 380 using EFT, Electronic Funds Transfer. The document memorandum 18. So now what we will be debiting? We will be debiting accounts payable Murniak Enterprises. And our credit cash. How much? 380. So guys, it's just like recording any other stuff. Transaction 3, June 8th. And here guys, this should be in chronological order. So this first one, let's change here. Instead of August, that's May. It will be, now it will be good. May. Okay. Now it is on chronological order. Purchase supplies, so debit, supplies, credit, cash. We are using debit card. And the source is memorandum 21 because we have no formal document. So we write a memorandum about that. $75 debit, $75 credits. Okay guys, so it doesn't matter how we are paying them. We are paying them credit, we are receiving money, debit. It doesn't matter if it is deposit, electronic funds transfer, checks, or debit card, or whatever. Okay guys, so thank you so much. Have a very nice day. And by the way, questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.